Hello and welcome to Alice Blue's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to upload financial proof for your account through bot in the Ant web application. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to the Ant web trading platform. Under the Apps section, locate Bot and click on it. You will be redirected to this dashboard. From here, go over to the Profile section and locate Financial Proof. Here, select your annual income, that is, your yearly income from the drop-down menu. You have to enter your net worth over here. Next, select your income proof type. It can be your 6-month latest bank statement, latest ITR copy, Alice Blue Demat holding statement, 3-month salary slip, or your net worth certificate. Whichever document you selected, upload it over here. If the file is password protected, enter the password. Else, you may leave it blank. Click on Submit and your financial proof will be sent for verification. Our team will get back to you shortly. Meanwhile, if you run into any trouble with the process, feel free to reach out to Alice Blue's support team. With that, we reach the end of this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss out on any updates from us. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.